Both sides obviously suffering greatly in this war, with hostages still being held and a humanitarian situation within Gaza that is reportedly extremely difficult. We will continue to bring you updates on that and diplomacy as we get them from Gaza. Moving on back to Europe now, and at least one person has died and homes and farmlands have been destroyed as wildfires stoked by Gale-Force winds broke out across Greece on Friday, from the southern outskirts of the capital Athens to regions near Ancient Olympia. A large fire erupted in the small town of Keratea, southwest of Athens. According to reports, firefighters found the body of an elderly man inside a burnt-out building. Let's now listen to what a local had to say about these fires.
Να σου πω, τα έχω χαμένα και εγώ τώρα αυτή τη στιγμή ξεχωρούμαστε από εδώ πέρα, είμαστε δηλαδή σε κατάσταση απελπιστική, όχι μόνο εγώ, όλος ο οικισμός. Είμαστε εδώ, θα είναι 40 χρόνια που μένουμε μόνιμοι κάτοικοι εδώ πέρα.
In the Ancient Olympia region in the southwest, massive flames swept through olive groves and forest land. Another blaze erupted on the tourist island of Kefalonia. Much of the area around Athens has seen almost no rain for months. This comes with wind gusts reaching 80 kilometres per hour, spreading the flames, igniting olive orchards. Homes were consumed as locals wearing simple face masks helped firefighters.